Hello everyone, this is the 6th in the English grammar series. Today we are going to learn about parts of speech. I am not going to go into much detail about the types of parts of speech. We are just going to see what parts of speech is. So first, let us understand what parts of speech is. So whenever we read, write or speak something, we use different types of sentences. Just like I'm talking to you, I'm using some sentences when I'm speaking. And these sentences are meaningful groups of words. The words that we use in sentences make complete sense, and that is why it is a sentence. The words that we use in sentences are divided into different types called the parts of speech. So in sentences there are words and those words are divided into different types called the parts of speech. So let us understand one more time. Words are divided into different kinds of classes based on two different things, and these classified words, these words are called the parts of speech. So on what basis are these words divided? The words are divided into different types based on two different things. That is, the first one is according to their use in the sentence. That is, depending upon how the word is used in the sentence and or depending upon how the word is working in the sentence. What kind of work the word has done in the sentence. Okay, there are 8 different types of parts of speech. The parts of speech are of 8 in number. So let us see what these parts of speech are. The first one is the noun. The second, adjective. The third is the pronoun. The fourth is the verb. The fifth is the adverb. The sixth is the preposition. The seventh is the conjunction, and eighth one is the interjection. These are the 8 types of parts of speech. From this we have understood that words are classified into 8 different types based on their work in the sentence or how they are used in the sentence. And these 8 types, these 8 classes of words together are called the parts of speech. These 8 classes together are called the parts of speech. So this is all that there is to parts of speech. Now that we have understood what parts of speech is, I won't go into much detail about the types, that is the noun, the adjective and all. If you really want to learn the basics of all those parts of speech, I have another video. Please go check it out. Thank you. That will be all for today.